everyone, I'm Pramit and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to show you all my Bugattis I have. Literally, the newest ones I have. So let's see them. First car, the newest car. This is literally the rarest Bugatti I've ever seen. Literally, my mom said this is the rarest Bugatti in the world. And I did not know that. I was like searching. I saw this and my mom was like, no, don't buy it. And so I told her, this is the day. We have to buy this. So I bought it and she said, this is the last Bugatti of my whole life. I said, no, we have to get the Bugatti Divo. The Bugatti Divo is not there. Now the newest car we have, look. Look at the interior. There's literally a modified steering wheel. I've never seen such thing like that. So next car, car number 2. Yeah, this is the second newest. This costed a lot of money. Look, this is mine. Bugatti Chiron. Look at it. Now car number 3. The third newest. And this car does not have opening doors. But I customized it and I put beads on it. Look. Cool, right? And now this is the end of this video. If you want to watch more of my videos, just search for my name, Pramit. Bye.